Dr. Rose, Natural Transplants, and we're with Cristiano today. How you doing?
I'm doing awesome, thank you.
Wonderful. So it's been 2 weeks since his surgery. He got our plus procedure, and we just removed the sutures. So tell us, how has the 2 weeks been? What has your experience been like?
It's been awesome, the procedure was just fine, no pain at all. And after the procedure was just a little sore, that's no pain. And I'm very happy with the results so far, yeah.
Awesome. You can see some of these hairs are still hanging on here, and I'm going to show you the suture line in the back. Remember, this is at 2 weeks, okay? The suture line as it's healing, and we can try to find it right there, and it looks like it's really came together beautifully. Even only after 2 weeks, you'll see the wound edges are healed nicely, and I would be surprised if he could find this scar after the surgery. So great job taking care of it, Cristiano.
Oh, yeah, great. You guys are awesome.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
and
guys.
We look forward to following up with him in a year, and we'll show his final result.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.